What's up, everybody? Remington from Impulse Creative, and today we're going to talk about GDPR and how Drift is allowing you to disclose and also remove data for any of your prospects or customers. GDPR is the General Data Protection Regulation, and it's an EU law that is going to be going into effect this Friday so that you have to comply if you have any EU citizens. So I've done another tutorial on how to set the GDPR consent forms. You can see that right here. But what I want to do is if someone requests to have their data removed, show you where you can do that in Drift. But then remember, you also will have other tools that they may ask to be removed from as well. So in Drift, what you need to do is you go to your settings tab, the gear off to the left, and then you will see an option for data privacy. When you get to data privacy, you'll have an option for consent forms and requiring consent from, the certain location. This is all in that other video that I referenced. And then you have the consent tracking, which is going to be an actual field that tracks that data. And you'll see down here, it's a little hidden, you've got manage data. So upon clicking manage data, you'll be able to do two things in this section. One, retrieve all the data for a particular user. And then two, you'll be able to delete contact data for that particular user as well. So if you type in one of the user's email addresses here, it will send you an email to your email as the user with all of the data associated. So if someone wants to know the data you have on them, they can get a copy, but then also you have the option to permanently delete. This is like a delete, like you're formatting a hard drive delete. So it's best to do this when someone is requesting their information be deleted as per the EU rules. So you need to pay attention to what your attorney or what your company's policies are regarding this information, but this is how you would go in and do it in Drift. If you have any other questions about conversational marketing or Drift, go ahead and hit me up on Twitter at RemingtonBeg. If you'd like to see other tutorials we've done, you can go ahead and you can do that here. And if you'd like to subscribe to our daily videos, you can go ahead and do that right here. Until next time, I'm Remington from Impulse Creative. Have a great day.